Now question number 3. If A of A into bracket y plus z is equal to B into bracket z plus x is equal to C into bracket x plus y, and out of A, B, C, no two of them are equal, then we have to show this. Now first write down A, B, C, no two of them are equal. If A, B, C, no two of them are equal, then value of A minus B, B minus C, C minus A are not equal to 0. That is, no two of them are equal, therefore this subtraction are not equal to 0. Now write down given equation A into bracket y plus z is equal to B into bracket z plus x is equal to C into bracket x plus y. Now here dividing each term by ABC. Dividing each term by ABC, we get. Now here first term divided by ABC, here A get cancelled, we get y plus z divided by BC equal to. Here second term divided by ABC, BB get cancelled, we get z plus x divided by AC equal to. Third term divided by ABC, CC get cancelled, x plus y divided by AB. Now we consider let this ratio, that is y plus z upon BC is equal to z plus x upon AC is equal to x plus y upon AB is equal to K. We consider this is equal to K. K is called each ratio. Each ratio. Therefore, now each ratio is equal to K, therefore K is equal to, we solve here, therefore K is equal to, now we have to show taking multiplication of this AB minus AC, therefore AB minus AC, that is from third subtract second, that is third is x plus y minus x plus y minus z plus x, subtract numerator and also in denominator AB minus AC. Here remove bracket is equal to x plus y multiplying by minus sign minus z minus x divided by, taking A common, A into bracket B minus C. Here plus x minus x get cancelled, therefore K is equal to y minus z divided by a into bracket b minus c. This is number 1. We get this first term, that is y minus z upon a into bracket b minus c. Similarly, k is equal to, now second we have to show taking multiplication, that is bc minus ab. bc minus ab. Therefore, subtract third from first, that is y plus z minus x plus y divided by bc minus ab is equal to, now remove bracket, y plus z minus x minus y divided by, taking b common, b into bracket c minus a. Here plus y minus y get cancelled. Therefore, remaining terms are, therefore k is equal to z minus x divided by b into bracket c minus a. This is number 3. And k is equal to, now here taking multiplication ca minus cb. Therefore, taking multiplication ca minus cb. Now ca that is z plus x minus, here write down ca minus cb is equal to, in numerator z plus x minus cb, that is a y plus z is equal to, now remove bracket, z plus x minus y minus z divided by, taking c common into bracket a minus b. Here plus z minus z get cancelled. We get k is equal to x minus y divided by c into bracket a minus b. This is number 3. That is x minus y divided by c into bracket a minus b. Now here from equation 1, 2 and 3, left hand sides are equal to k. Left hand sides are k, that is each ratio. म्हणजे लेफ्ट हँड साइड इक्वल आहे म्हणून राइट हँड साइड इक्वल आहे. Therefore, from 1, 2 and 3, y minus z divided by a into bracket b minus c is equal to, second, that is, this is number 2. Second, z minus x divided by b into bracket c minus a is equal to x minus y divided by c into bracket a minus b. This is the answer. हेच आपल्याला प्रूव्ह करायचं होतं. Now question number 2. If x upon 3x minus y minus z equal to y upon 3y minus z minus x is equal to z upon 3z minus x minus y, and x plus y plus z is not equal to 0, then show that the value of each ratio is equal to 1. Now here first we consider let given ratios, that is x upon 3x minus y minus z is equal to y upon 3y minus z minus x is equal to z upon 3z minus x minus y is equal to k. That is each ratio is equal to k, that is each ratio. Therefore, each ratio is equal to, or by theorem on equal ratios, therefore by theorem on equal ratios, here all ratios are equal, therefore by theorem on equal ratios, each ratio equal to now each ratio equal to, we can take addition of numerator or subtraction of numerator and also denominator. Here we have to use x plus y plus z, therefore take addition x plus y plus z in numerator, divide by. Now in denominator, first write down in first bracket denominator of first, that is 3x minus y minus z, plus denominator of second 3y minus z minus x, plus denominator of third, that is 3z minus x minus y is equal to x plus y plus z divided by. Now here remove bracket, that is 3x minus y minus z, 3x minus y minus z. Now here is plus term, therefore write down this as it is, 3y minus z minus x, plus 3z minus x minus y. Now here plus 3x minus x minus x is minus 2x, 3x minus 2x is x, is equal to x plus y plus z divided by 3x minus x minus x is x. Now 3y minus y is 2y, 2y minus y is y, that is plus y, minus z minus 2z plus 3z, that is plus z, is equal to, now this get cancelled, equal to 1, since x plus y plus z is not equal to 0. यांची व्हॅल्यू 0 नाही, 0 असल्यास तर 0 upon 0 that is not defined. इथं 0 नाही म्हणजे कॅन्सल टर्म होतील, व्हॅल्यू किती 1. Therefore each ratio is equal to 1. This is the answer. Therefore each ratio is equal to 1. This is the answer. Thank you.